Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another episode of the Electrified Life channel, where I am sharing with you my experience with my electric vehicle. Somebody asked me about how much do I save from having an electric vehicle after 1 year. My vehicle, my Vinfast VF5, is already 1 year old, and they wanted to know how much did I save after 1 year. Okay, in my ICE vehicle, I usually spend 12,000 per month on the gas alone. When I bought my first EV, the Vinfast VF5, my brother told me that in order for me to be able to see my savings, I need to separate the 12,000 per month savings, which I usually spend on my gas when using my old ICE car. So what I did, every month I set aside 10k per month. Okay, not 12k, 10k, because I usually charge I sometimes charge at home, top up only, and I usually charge at the Vinfast fast chargers, which is free, and occasionally I charge at the SM, also for free. You just have to pay the 40 pesos parking fee. So more or less, I was able to save 10,000 pesos per month. So after 1 year, I was able to save that much. Since I will be leaving for about 1 week, I took the advantage of also knowing whether the battery of a full EV really decreases when left alone for 1 week. By the way, according to the experts, when leaving the full EV for several days, it is best to leave the state of charge in between. I mean, in the middle. So it's around 30 to 60% probably. But never leave your car 100% full charge. So this is my plan. Before I leave the car, I'll document the state of charge, and then after a week when I come back, I'll check again on the state of charge, and altogether let's see whether the battery decreases when left alone for several days. Okay, so we are leaving. We will be leaving our Vinfast VF5 for about a week, and let's try to test whether the claim that the battery, when left alone for long periods of time, say 1 week, will reduce the SOC, or the state of charge, no? So tingnan natin kung mababawasan yung state of charge niya. Okay, so at present, before we leave, we have 41%. So tingnan natin after 7 days kung mababawasan yung 41%. Okay, let's see. So out of the savings after 1 year, this is where my savings went.
Perfect night.
Okay, good morning. We've just arrived after 1 week. So now let's try to open our VF5 and let's see if the state of charge has reduced as claimed, no? Okay, so let's see. Let's press the power button. And will it be lower? Oh, it's still 41%. So after 7 days, the HVAC or the main battery has not reduced. So that's good. So it busted the myth that when you leave the EV for a long time, the battery is going to be drained. So this is it. This is the proof. After 7 days, nothing changed. So that's it, guys. Oh, you know how I miss my electric vehicle. It's nice to be back. It's nice to drive an electric vehicle again, such as the VF5. Woo! Nice feeling. You know, I've been to a country where around 60% is still ICE or internal combustion engine, and about 39% hybrid. So there are a lot of hybrid cars in that country, particularly the one I went to, Japan. And only 1% is EV. It is just my observation. After 7 days walking along the busy streets in Tokyo, I only noticed a few. I saw one pure electric vehicle, the Nissan Ariya. I haven't seen a pure electric vehicle of Toyota, Mitsubishi, none of that kind yet. It's all hybrid from Toyota mostly. So this wraps up another episode of my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time. So nandito po tayo sa Jinke performance, Stingray performance. Papalagay ko tayo na ganito. Jinke casting spring. Ayan na siya, nakakabit na sa harap to. Ito yung likod niya. Yun, nakalagay na. Sa una pa lang, ramdam mo agad ang ganda ng ride at saka nabawasan yung road noise.